is a city everyone's obsessed with. From steamy thermal baths to epic nightlife and jaw-dropping views, this place has it all. I'm counting down the 10 Ponga reasons why Budapest needs to be your next adventure. Stick around to see what snags the first spot. Let's go. Kicking off with number 10, Memento Park. This open-air museum is a time capsule of Soviet-era statues. Think massive Lenin and Marx sculptures. It's quirky, fascinating, and a perfect spot for unique selfies. Grab a guide to hear the wild stories behind these relics. At number 9, the Great Market Hall. This foodie paradise is packed with Hungarian goodies. Try elngos, fried dough smothered in sour cream and cheese. Don't forget to grab some paprika souvenirs and soak up the vibrant vibes. The number 8 is a hidden gem, the House of Houdini Museum. Budapest celebrates its native escape artists with mind-bending exhibits and live magic demos. It's small, quirky, and perfect for a quick dose of mystery. Spoiler, you might not escape the fun. Number 7 is a Danube River cruise. Seeing Budapest's landmarks glow against the night sky from the water? Pure magic. Book a dinner cruise for romance or a budget-friendly daytime ride for epic views. You won't regret it. At number 6, Budapest's legendary ruin bars. These quirky bars in the Jewish quarter, like Szimpla Kert, are built in abandoned buildings with mismatched furniture and killer vibes. Live music, craft beers, and late-night dancing, your night is sorted. Number 5 is Budapest's spa game, Gellért and Rudas Baths. Gellert's stunning tiles feel like a palace, while Ruda's 500-year-old Turkish baths are pure history. Soak away your stress and feel like royalty. Evening visits, chef's kiss. Number 4 is Budapest's mouthwatering food. Goulash is a must, rich, spicy, and soul-warming. Don't skip chimney cakes for dessert, crispy, sugary perfection. Hit ruin bars or local spots for chicken paprikash. That'll have you hungry for more. Number 3 takes us to Buda's fairy tale side. Fisherman's Bastion looks like a Disney castle with unreal city views. Sunset is prime time. Nearby, Buda Castle offers history and a funicular ride. These spots are Instagram gold. Number 2 is Budapest's iconic duo, the Hungarian Parliament and St. Stephen's Basilica. Parliament's a Gothic stunner. Tour inside to see the crown jewels. Then, climb the Basilica's dome for a 360-degree city view that'll blow your mind. And the first stop, drumroll, please, is Széchenyi Baths. The world's spa capital delivers with 18 pools, saunas, and pure relaxation in a jaw-dropping setting. Day or night, it's Budapest's ultimate vibe. Bring a swimsuit and join the party. This is why everyone's obsessed. There you have it, the 10 Ponga reasons Budapest has stolen the world's heart. From history to food to unforgettable nights, this city delivers. Ready to visit? Drop your Budapest must-dos in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more epic travel guides. See you in Budapest!